Hello everyone, welcome back to Placement Buddies. Today I am back with another off-campus job notification, and this time the opportunity is from a very big company called Amazon. So Amazon is recruiting the 2021 pass out students for the position of technical support associate, and the package which will be offered to the selected candidates will be 3 LPA. Okay. All branches of engineering will be eligible for this post. So let us go through the job description first. The job category is virtual technical support, and the role which will be offered to the selected candidates will be technical support associate. It will be a partially work from home type opportunity, and the basic work location will be Hyderabad only, and the package which will be offered to the selected candidates is 3 LPA. Okay, now let us quickly go through the educational qualification. The minimum qualification required for applying into this position is 12th. Okay, the intermediate one, right? Any graduate can apply irrespective of the stream or subjects chosen in intermediate or graduation. Any graduate can apply for this position. Any postgraduate can also apply for this position. Okay, now the eligibility criteria. The candidates must be flexible to work in any shift. Okay, आपको डे शिफ्ट में भी काम करना पड़ सकता है, आपको नाइट शिफ्ट में भी काम करना पड़ सकता है. You should be flexible. And the most important point is no minimum marks are required to apply for this notification. CGPA का कोई बैरियर नहीं, मार्क्स का कोई बैरियर नहीं. You can apply for this position even if you are a 10-pointer student. You can apply for this position even if you are a 4-pointer student. Okay. Now let us quickly go through the skills. Okay. Candidates must have good comprehension, composition and good typing skills. You must be able to use a desktop or laptop. You must be familiar with Windows 7, Microsoft Outlook and Internet Explorer. Okay. ये सारी चीज़ें आपको यूज़ करना आना चाहिए. You should be effective with your time management skills and communication skills as well. Okay. Now the preferred criteria will be, if a candidate can ensure that he or she will have uninterrupted internet connectivity during work shift, okay, then you will be a preferred candidate obviously. Okay. Now you should also ensure the work-like environment with no disturbance during the work hours. ठीक है. And you must have an experience of working in a customer service environment for at least 6 months. ये एक डिज़ायरेबल क्राइटेरिया है. ओके. नाउ इस अपॉर्चुनिटी में अप्लाई करने का जो लिंक है वो मैंने वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दिया है, एंड द एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस हैज़ ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड. द लास्ट डेट ऐसा कुछ मेंशन नहीं है, लेकिन जितना जल्दी आप अप्लाई करोगे उतना ही ज़्यादा फ़ायदा है आपको. ओके. सो अप्लाई फॉर दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी एज सुन एज पॉसिबल. So that's it for today guys. I will be back with another off-campus notification very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.